Hey everyone. Well, since the new year rolled over, I've been super busy with work and other things, and I haven't been able to get the boat out for any more winter sailing, and I don't have any projects on the go at the moment. I hope everyone enjoyed the little boat tour I gave of Sailing Vessel Moonshine after 3 years of living aboard, and a nice little milestone was reached right after the new year of 10,000 subscribers. So thank you everybody for that. I really appreciate all the people who subscribe, comment, and give a thumbs up. Since I didn't do my normal year-end wrap-up video, which takes a look at the previous 12 months, and considering I don't have any new footage for you this week, what I thought might be fun is to take a look at the last 3 years and put it to 3 minutes of music. So I've just chosen a whole bunch of clips from videos I've made. These are all from videos that are on my channel. They're in no particular order. They're just thrown up there randomly, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll go back and take a look at some of the older videos. Once again, I want to say a great big thank you to all the people who have subscribed and put me over 10,000. And if you like the videos, don't forget to comment and thumbs up and share the videos. Whatever you can do to help me out, I really appreciate it. Well, enough of me talking. Let's take a look at all those clips from videos over the past 3 years.
For the third leg, we'll be doing that much dreaded thing called walking. My feet are still a little bit sore after our big trip around Vancouver, but I'm sure it's not too far from the ferry terminal back there and to Vancouver Cove where we go. Oh fuck! God damn Vancouver Cove!